Hello and welcome to the English lectures. Today we will cover lesson number 6 from the book Hornbill, and the lesson's name is The Browning Version. It is written by Terence Rattigan. So coming to the introduction of the lesson, this is an extract from a play, highlights the attitude of a teenage student towards his teacher. His comments are shocking because they are very close to the truth. He calls the teacher almost inhuman. Though not the sadist, he is morally afraid of his teacher because his promotion depends on his teacher's goodwill. When promotion depends on teacher's goodwill, when another teacher encourages him, the student become more frank. It appears that the teacher was strict and seemed to hate people who like him. This reflects on the teacher's quality. Coming to the characters of the lesson, the first central character is Taplow. He is a 16-year-old boy and presents his views about his teacher, Mr. Crocker Harris, in a very frank and straightforward manner. He is respectful towards his teacher and likes him, although being much afraid of him. The next character is Mr. Frank. Mr. Frank is a young science teacher and shows better understanding of the student behavior. He envies Mr. Crocker. He envies Mr. Crocker Harris and thus likes him being criticized by Taplow. Mr. Crocker Harris, he is a strict disciplinarian. He follows rules not like other teachers. He has a strong hold over his students. He hates flattery and does not want people to like him. The next character is Mrs. Millie Crocker Harris. She is the young wife of Mr. Crocker Harris. She is a thin woman in her late 30s. She is very kind-hearted towards the students. Now coming to the detailed summary of the lesson, the scene of the play is set in a school. The play opens with a 16-year-old boy, Taplow, who has been detained by his teacher to compensate for his 1 day's absence. He is waiting for his teacher, Mr. Crocker Harris, who has not yet arrived. Another teacher, Mr. Frank Crocker Harris, Mr. Frank finds Taplow waiting in the room and starts talking with him. Taplow introduces himself and informs that he is a student in lower 5th grade. He feels that he would specialize next term if he got promoted. He also tells Mr. Frank that Mr. Crocker Harris does not tell the students their results beforehand like other teachers do. Mr. Frank is surprised. He admits that headmaster announces the results on the last day, but that's no criterion. Taplow says that it is Mr. Crocker Harris who abides by these rules of not telling the students about their results before they are officially announced. So Mr. Frank asks Taplow whether he would pursue science if he gets a favorable result. Taplow is elated by the thought. He is very much happy by the thought. Mr. Frank laments sadly that he get all the poor students, but Taplow says that he is extremely interested in science. Moreover, he would not have to read useless play like the Agamemnon. Mr. Frank is a bit astonished at the thoughts of Taplow about the Agamemnon, thinking that he has gone too far. Taplow corrects himself, says that the plot is good, but the way it is taught is terrible. So now Mr. Frank Harris thinks that Taplow sounds a little bitter as he has been detained. Taplow informs him that he is there for extra work. Mr. Frank is more than surprised to hear that Taplow is doing extra work on the last day before the end of the term. Taplow informs him that he had missed a day of school the previous week due to illness, and so Mr. Crocker Harris asked him to do extra work in place of that. Now Frank tries to calm him by telling him that he would certainly get his results the next day for being a good boy, but Taplow feels the other way. He asserts that such rules do not work with Mr. Crocker Harris, and he is not like other teachers who appreciate students who do extra work. The day before, he asked Mr. Crocker Harris about his results. He tells Mr. Frank about what happened. He starts copying Mr. Crocker Harris' voice. Mr. Crocker Harris had told him that he had given Taplow what he deserved, no less and no more. Taplow is afraid that Mr. Crocker Harris would have rather marked him down for doing extra work. So according to Taplow, Mr. Crocker Harris is a different kind of teacher. He is too strict and hardly human. Mr. Frank pretends to be happy but encourages Taplow to imitate his teacher once again. Mr. Frank asked Taplow at what time he was supposed to meet Mr. Crocker Harris. Taplow informs him that he was called at 6:30. Mr. Frank points out that Mr. Crocker Harris was already 10 minutes late. He suggests that Taplow could go off and play golf. However, Taplow seems shocked at this suggestion and is scared that Mr. Crocker might follow him home. Mr. Frank tells Taplow that he envies Mr. Crocker Harris because all the students are scared of him. Taplow makes fun of Mr. Crocker Harris by saying that it would have been better if he were a sadist. Who are sadists? Sadists are the people. Sadist is a person who gets pleasure out of giving pain to others. So Taplow feels he makes the fun of Mr. Crocker Harris by saying that it would have been better if he were a sadist, as it would mean he had some feelings. But he is hard like nut. So Taplow is saying that Mr. Crocker Harris is hard like nut. He is heartless, almost inhuman. He possesses no feeling at all. Taplow feels that Mr. Crocker Harris is all dried up and hates that people like him. Taplow finds it funny that in spite of all the crankiness, he somehow likes Mr. Crocker Harris. Taplow recalls an incident when Mr. Crocker Harris made one of the classic jokes, which was in Latin language. So nobody laughed out of sheer courtesy, out of showing some regard. Taplow laughed at the joke. This proved to be a bad move by Taplow. Millie Crocker, who is Mr. Crocker Harris' wife, is a thin woman in her late 30s. She is smartly dressed. Unlike other schoolmaster's wife, she comes in unnoticed. Taplow was still imitating Mr. Crocker Harris when Mr. Frank noticed her and broke off suddenly. Taplow gets frantic and asks Mr. Frank if Millie Crocker Harris could have heard their conversation. Mr. Frank thinks that she did. Taplow fears that if she tells anything to Mr. Crocker Harris, then he will surely get a bad result. So now Millie Crocker Harris asks Taplow if he was waiting for her husband. She further informs him that her husband is busy at Bursas and might get late. She asks him to leave. Taplow is doubtful and asks Mr. Crocker Harris had particularly asked him to come. He tells that she advises him to go away for a quarter of an hour and then come back. Taplow is scared. He is very much scared. And what if Mr. Crocker Harris comes back? He thinks. Millie Crocker Harris gives him relief. Millie Crocker Harris gives him relief by saying she will take the blame. She gives him a prescription and sends him to the chemist to get it filled. Convinced, Taplow accepts the proposal and leaves happily. So this was all about the lesson, the Browning version. So this is an extract from a play. It highlights the attitude of a teenage student towards his teacher.